Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Beauty Style Mama. Today I am going to show you how to do Valentine's Day makeup in with affordable makeup and like this soft makeup. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Then let's get started. After finishing my eyelashes and eye shades on both sides, now I apply this Tarte light eyelashes mascara. I like it because it has a very small brush for the lower lash, so I'm putting on my lower lash lines. See, and as well as upper lash line. I tried today Kiss eyelashes, which I found in Dollarama. I hope you like my eyelashes, and I'm very scared because I put first time eyelashes on my eyes, and my eyes feel little heavy. I can't open my eye hole. Yeah, it's kind of heavy eyelashes. You can see it's very beautiful eyelashes, but I have to put because it completes the whole look which I want to show you. So now I am adding little blush and contouring because today I put Helly's foundation. I applied it. Actually, I don't like the foundation at all, but I want to use it to finish it off because it was a sample product, and I don't know you like it or not. Tell me in the comment section if you like this foundation, because I don't like it at all, and it's $22. Okay, now I'm putting blush. I'm using the ELF this blush palette, and I am mixing two colors like this and like this. Put it in your apple of your cheek. It's apple, right? It's apple. Yeah. Okay. Some blending. Yes. Final brush on my nose. Okay. Now what? I have two choices. One is the Essence. I love this highlighter. It's very beautiful and very good highlighter. And the second one is my favorite palette. I don't know. I really have no clue. Okay, first of all, I want to contour my face. Yes. Oh, it's an illuminating palette again, and I forgot to yes, here I am using the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. I like the shade so much. It blends well and I like it. Okay, now I am going to use some of highlighters on my face. So finally Essence win, because I am using Essence because it's affordable and it's very good drugstore brand, and I want to show you that you can enjoy your Valentine's Day in affordable price. Yes, you can look beautiful and affordable makeup also. See, it's very beautiful. Very nice highlighter, pink highlighter. It gives very nice glow. Can you see that? See, it gives very nice glow and nice finish to your face. Now I am going to complete my look with my lipstick, and again I am using this Essence lipstick, and the color is Cute Pink. Yeah, for the lipstick I am going to use my this favorite kryolan lipstick palette, and in this I am using that pink color. Because it goes to my dress and everything. Now I am going to use this lighter shade of pink in between. That's my whole look, and after finishing that, you can use the finishing spray mist on your face, and then you are ready to go. enjoy your Valentine's Day, and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give very nice comments in the comment section. If you want to know something about me, products, anything, write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.